Hi there, welcome to our Home Tools Pro channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, do an air compressor die? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So, let's dive in. Just like any other machine, air compressors have a lifespan. With proper maintenance, an air compressor can last for many years. However, there will come a time when it will eventually die. There are several reasons why an air compressor would die. The most common reason is because of wear and tear. Over time, the air compressor pots will start to wear out. This is especially true for the moving pots such as the piston and cylinder. Another reason why an air compressor would die is because of corrosion. If the air compressor is not properly maintained, rust and corrosion can build up and damage the pots. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. How long do air compressors last? Number 2. How to dispose an air compressor that has died? Number 3. Is burnt-in new or used-in effective factor for an air compressor to die? Number 4. What can cause an air compressor to die? Number 5. How to repair an air compressor? Number 6. What are the best practices when using an air compressor that extends longevity? Number 7. How to protect an air compressor from seasonal weather changes, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out HomeToolsPro.com.